It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. The administrative case filed against former Iloilo City Mayor Jed Patrick Mabilog was finally dismissed by the Court of Appeals. According to the CA's findings, the former mayor's increase in net worth was largely due to his wife's income in 2013 and that nothing had been concealed or misrepresented in his 2013 Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth. In an interview with a local radio news station, the former mayor's wife Marivic Mabilog expressed her elation at the news. She also called out President Rodrigo Duterte, who is one of Mabilog's notable accusers and who has continuously cited the former mayor in his speeches on corruption. It was in 2017 when Mabilog was removed from office after he was found guilty of serious dishonesty regarding his salin. Mabilog has repeatedly denied the accusation and has moved out of the country with his family due to safety concerns. The Alpha and Beta variants of COVID-19 have been detected in Iloilo City, according to the Department of Health. Citing the latest results from the Philippine Genome Center, DOH Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeres said the majority of Alpha and Beta variants were detected in Iloilo City and province. According to the Center for Disease Control in the United States, these variants seem to spread more quickly than other variants, which may lead to more cases of COVID. On the other hand, CDC studies suggest the current authorized vaccines work on these variants. The national government is appealing for cooperation from the local government units of Iloilo City and province after they were placed under the enhanced community quarantine for the remainder of July. Border controls are once again in effect in the province of Antique to limit non-essential or leisure travels to other provinces. In a meeting earlier today, the Antique Interagency Task Force agreed to establish border controls to discourage people from traveling, especially to the city and province of Iloilo currently under ECQ. These border controls will be placed in the towns of Hamtik, Aninii, Pandan, and Libertad. Secretary of the Antique Interagency Task Force of Coronavirus Disease 2019, Margie Gadian, said Antiqueños will not be allowed to leave the province except if completely necessary. Each municipality is also advised to establish border controls to regulate travels between towns. Today marks the Muslim celebration and regular Philippine holiday of Eid'l Adha. In Iloilo City, however, no activities were held amid the COVID-19 pandemic. According to Saad Den Mayo, Imam at the Iloilo Pioneer Masjid Mosque in Barangay Magdalo, La Paz, they will adhere to the prohibition on mass gatherings as the city is under enhanced community quarantine. Instead, Mayo is encouraging all Muslims in the city to offer prayers in their respective homes. Eid'l Adha is one of two official Islam holidays along with Eid al-Fitr. And those are tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.